going on, guys? Welcome back to today's video. We are at Sema day 2 for us. This is Friday, the last day. We are here standing next to a beautiful STO. I think it looks amazing. Anyways, we're gonna walk around, hopefully see some famous people, cool cars, famous cars, and we got a lot more content coming your way. We are on a mission to find Stradman's car, and we were looking him up on Instagram to see what booth he was in. He is in Flex Shield, and we're on our way to Flex Shield right now. Oh, is he there? Damn. That's all I can say is, damn. Bro, what, it looks so insane. Oh my God. James, good job on those wheels. I know everyone was hating, but I think it looks badass.
I think it looks good too. Dude, everybody's got Rohanas, dude.
I know.
Rohana's doing some crazy stuff this year. What do you think of West Pagani over here?
I know, there's like this car right here too, and I'm just like, I like this one.
Yeah, I mean, dude, come on. Look at that, full carbon.
Bro, full carbon. I mean, this is pretty sick too.
So
but
the 918.
Apparently this only has a V8 in it. 850 horsepower.
Mercedes motor, yeah.
Mercedes motor, like
Mercedes motor.
Anybody can get a Mercedes.
That's why these are really reliable, though.
Nobody buys an exotic car for reliability.
Because they're lame. I would daily drive this one if I had the money because of how reliable it is.
I mean, I would just daily drive any car I bought.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
I'm not like I don't like to have like a garage queen. I need to have a car that has exhaust coming out like the top somehow, like in the back. That's...
Imagine driving, you see...
Bro. Instead of like on the R8, instead of having like a center exit exhaust, find a way to have it come out through like the glass or something.
That'd be insane.
That would be wild.
It's really good though. Let's go see the front of this.
Yeah, let's see the front.
You like the Z's?
It looks cool.
Yeah,
what is this? A
you can
Nismo what? Altima?
I don't know, but I want these hood vents right now.
Sentra.
Nismo Sentra.
Bro, a Nismo Sentra.
Pick up your baby mama in this.
Pick up your baby mama in this. The Z does look pretty good, like with all the little...
But does it look different enough, though? That's the real problem.
No.
I don't think it does.
Like, I would just get like a 6-speed manual, like, performance edition or sport edition, whatever they're calling it, and then I would just dump like the rest of the money into building it.
Nothing about this looks different than the Z, the new Z.
The red stripe. You're paying like 80 grand for that red stripe.
No carbon roof, no carbon mirrors. What, like it's not even wider. If it was wider, it'd be cool too.
Yeah, do you see this little lip right here?
Oh my God,
it's
I
like
didn't even notice that. That is a little wider.
It's like an 1/8 of an inch wider, bro.
Oh my
For like 80
gosh.
grand more. Yeah, see, I would rather, like I said, just get like a regular like performance model and literally dump like 40 grand into it, and it would be way doper than this. Huh. I like the look.
You like it?
I actually do like it. Like, I think this is the best looking Porsche that's here.
Yeah, it looks like they took it out for real.
Imagine they didn't actually take it out and
And
they
it's
just
actually
like
dirt.
finally like placed all this like dirt and dust and stuff.
That'd be actually kind of messed up. Whoa, what about this thing?
This is wild.
This is the same kid as, what's his name?
Stradman?
Stradman's? Yeah, kind of looks like it, no?
Dude, look at how low that is.
I mean, it is probably on bags, you know, so.
Yeah.
I like the orange and carbon look.
I do too. I really do too.
But I like the pink,
Well,
the pink one too. That pink looks really nice.
I like carbon with any like single color accent.
Agreed.
That's like the move.
Yeah.
Boom. Alex Choi in the house. Dude. guys
today.
think about this color, though? I think it looks pretty good. We got another SVJ, which I seem to be seeing a lot of here, and I am A-okay with that.
I'll look it up now, actually.
I have no clue what these guys are doing, but if I had to guess, I would say they're PPFing a forged carbon fiber plane. Oh no, maybe well, it's obviously not a real plane. Maybe it's a drone. Interesting. What do you guys think of this Nissan Z front bumper? I think it looks better than the OEM one. That looks pretty clean. Got another Liberty Walk wide body GTR. Fat wing. Ugh, I want it. Look at this lowered Hummer.
I'll break the window.
It's not even Alex Joya there. We are wrapping up our second day here at SEMA. It's Friday, so it's the last day. We just got done watching the rollout. It was crazy. We got to see the Stradman revving his V12. That thing sounded insane. But now we're just wrapping up this video. We're walking back to go pick up the cars. But in the next video, we're gonna be headed out to the Origins car meet. So be sure to stick around for that video. That's coming up next. But with all that said, this video has come to an end. I hope you guys are enjoying this installment of the 30 videos in 30 days. But we're done. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.